How to fix cannot access the shared folder in Windows 11. So hey everyone, come back to the channel. So there are multiple solutions for this one. So first of all, you just have to go to the services options from here, and from here you just have to look for function discovery resource publication. So this is the app. You just have to double click on it and click on the startup type to manual to automatic, and after that you just have to simply click on OK or apply, then OK. You just have to again double click on it and make sure to make the service status stopped to start, and as you can see it's now start and its service status is now running. So after that you just have to click on OK. Now you just have to scroll down a little bit and search for SSDV discovery, and that is like this one, SSDB discovery. You just have to simply double click on it and the process is same. You just have to click on automatic and click on apply, then OK, and again double click on it and make sure the service status is running, and then you just have to press on OK. And now again you just have to scroll down and search for UPnP device host and double click on it, and also just make it to automatic from manual and click on apply, then OK, and again double click on it and make sure the service status is running. As you can see, this is stopped. You just have to click on start and it will start, and then you just have to click on OK, and then so now you just have to cross it and search for the control panel and click on enter, and make sure view by is always set on large icon. So now you just have to simply look for the network and discovery from here. So you just have to simply click on network and sharing center, and after that you just have to go to the change advanced sharing setting, and then you just have to drop down the private networks option from here and make sure the network discovery is always turned on and it's checked the setup network connected devices automatically. This box is checked always. So that's it for this video. That's the possible solutions for the problem awkward. See you on the next video, guys.